We got the new infrared stove heater from RedStone. Well, we'll go ahead and unbox this RedStone electric infrared stove heater. These mimic a miniature fireplace little metal oven box and are a lot of fun. Just to make sure we get the specs, it's pushing 5200 BTUs, so we got a little bit of heat going on. And electric, it runs on 120 volt outlets, so just need a 120 outlet to hook this guy up. And indoor XL, extra large areas. So this might be able to warm up a living room depending on how big the living room is, and of course how high are the ceilings. No, it's got an adjustable thermostat, realistic flame effect, which I think that'll be kind of nice. I like it whenever they make it resemble a fire. And the most important part, overheat safety protection. Always want to make sure if these things get too hot, they automatically cut off and shut down. Let me go ahead and lift it back up, and I'll put a time lapse on this as we unbox the rest of it. So upon first glance, you got to screw the handle on, it looks like, for that front door. But you lift it up and you guys can see, feels like some type of thin plastic material. Whatever this mold is, it's super thin. So, well, this houses the, I want to say these are the legs. So I'll grab the knife and cut this out real quick. Moment of truth. There's the fire. Let's start it off on the low settings. So you can, it is a good video, you can turn up the brightness of the fire, or you can dim it down to the low setting. But I like that. We'll crank it all the way up on the light. Do about medium heat.